Replacing windows in your home is a significant investment, both in terms of cost and the comfort it provides. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or increase property value, the decision to replace windows should be carefully considered. In Metairie, where weather conditions can be hot and humid in the summer and chilly in the winter, the importance of choosing the right windows and installation process is crucial. To help guide you through this process, here are the top 5 mistakes homeowners should avoid when replacing windows in Metairie. Choosing the wrong window material for your climate. Metairie experiences a humid subtropical climate, which means high humidity and heavy rainfall in the summer, coupled with cool, sometimes chilly winters. When selecting window materials, it's essential to choose those that can withstand these conditions. Wood, while aesthetically pleasing, can warp or rot over time due to moisture exposure. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are more suited for the climate, offering durability without the risks associated with wood. They are also easier to maintain, which is important given the high humidity in the area. Before purchasing new windows, take the time to understand the material's benefits and limitations for your specific climate. A poor choice of material can lead to unnecessary repairs and frequent replacements, costing you more in the long run. Ignoring energy efficiency rating. With the hot and humid climate of Metairie, energy-efficient windows are crucial for keeping your home comfortable year-round. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is neglecting the energy efficiency ratings of their new windows. Windows are a primary source of heat loss and gain, so selecting windows with high energy efficiency ratings will save you money on heating and cooling costs. Look for windows with an Energy Star certification. These windows are tested and rated to ensure that they meet certain energy efficiency standards. Additionally, pay attention to the U-factor and solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC) ratings, which determine how well the window insulates your home and how much solar heat it allows into the home. Choosing windows with poor insulation properties can lead to higher utility bills and discomfort in your living space. Not hiring a professional installer. While it may be tempting to save money by attempting a DIY window installation, it's one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Window replacement is a complex task that requires precise measurements, proper sealing, and expert installation techniques to ensure optimal performance. Incorrect installation can lead to air and water leaks, reduced energy efficiency, and potential damage to your home's structure. Hiring a professional installer not only ensures that the job is done right but also provides peace of mind that your warranty will remain intact. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to honor their warranty, so cutting corners by going the DIY route can end up costing you more if issues arise down the road. Overlooking curb appeal and aesthetic value. While it's easy to focus on function and energy efficiency, it's equally important to consider the aesthetics of your new windows, especially in a neighborhood like Metairie, where homes vary widely in style. The wrong window style can detract from the overall appearance of your home, decreasing its curb appeal and potentially reducing its resale value. Take the time to choose windows that complement your home's architectural style. For example, traditional homes might look better with double-hung windows, while more modern homes may benefit from sleek, contemporary styles. Don't forget to consider color, grille patterns, and finish options to make sure your new windows enhance your home's visual appeal. Underestimating the importance of proper maintenance. Once your new windows are installed, it's easy to forget about maintenance, especially if they seem to be working fine. However, neglecting regular upkeep can reduce the lifespan of your windows and result in costly repairs. Windows should be cleaned regularly to maintain their clarity and efficiency, and seals should be checked periodically for leaks. Additionally, ensure that the window frames and hardware are properly maintained, especially in areas prone to moisture. Salt from air conditioning units or rain can accumulate and corrode parts of the window system, so periodic inspections are key to keeping everything in optimal condition. Final thoughts. Replacing windows in your Metairie home can be a great decision, but it's important to approach the project carefully to avoid common mistakes. By choosing the right materials, ensuring energy efficiency, hiring a professional installer, considering aesthetics, and staying on top of maintenance, you can enjoy long-lasting, functional, and beautiful windows that will enhance your home for years to come. Avoiding these mistakes ensures that your investment in new windows is truly worthwhile, both for comfort and financial savings.